Time to shake off the rust.
Why do we have to pay for the food we developed ourselves?
Relax. It all gets reimbursed through the research fund anyway.